Do you have on your to-do list, create content or post on social media, and feel this panicky feeling that you need to be putting out loads and loads and loads of content every single day? Because I know that I have had that feeling, and I know that a lot of other people have, and are also becoming a slave to creating quantity instead of creating quality. I watched a video, a quick TikTok from Gary Vaynerchuk. I don't spend that much time on TikTok because it sends me I get a bit obsessed. I don't know about you, but if I'm on TikTok for too long, I'll be on there for all night. So I have to have it off my phone. But I watched a video from Gary Vaynerchuk saying that he wants to create a social media platform where you can only post one thing per day, because he said that if you could only post once per day, the quality would massively go up. Can't we just bring that mindset into our day-to-day lives as it is? We all have great things that we want to say. We all have great skills, great passions, great experiences that we can share online. But the pressure to create so much content actually is downgrading the quality of the content. If you created one piece of content a year, that would be 52 pieces of quality content at the end of the year. Let's say you did one video, one blog, even just one short post. At the end of the year, you are going to have much better stuff that you could potentially turn into a book or package up into a lead magnet or whatever you might want to do, instead of having some high volume crap going out all the time. Since Corona hit, which was March last year, I'm recording this video 1st of July 2021, so it's been well over a year since Corona hit. It seems like the whole business world panicked and started posting stuff on social media, and there was a massive rise in done-for-you content creation, which I have absolutely no problem with, and my business has delivered that. However, if it's not coming from a place of real quality and a place of real education and serving, it's just adding to the noise. And I understand why we all feel it, why we all get into a point of panic by thinking we've got to create tons of stuff and just shove it out the door. However, quality is so much better than quantity. And if you look at the platforms, the people on the platforms that are doing really, really well, they are creating really quality content. It might be taking them a lot of time, but it probably is. If you're somebody who doesn't have time, don't bother. There's no point doing something crap quick. If you don't have time, just don't do it. Just leave it. Just push it down the to-do list. If you don't have time but you want to do it, find someone that can support you. Find an agency that can create content for you. Find an assistant who can schedule the content after you've created it. Work with somebody who can edit your videos after you've recorded them and you can instantly upload them. Don't rush to create quantity instead of creating quality. If we can move the world to sharing quality posts instead of mass quantity posts, we're going to flip the whole world of social media. We're going to flip the whole world of content creation. So if you're somebody who's caught up in that I need to do everything quick and I need to get it out the door and I need to be doing 5 posts a day, or I think something that Gary Vaynerchuk says is 30 a day, slow down, just do one a week. Just do one piece of quality content per week, one video per week, one blog per week. Share your thoughts of the week. Share what you've learned that week. Create something that you want to put out into the world, something that your audience want to hear, but focus on creating quality pieces of content rather than short pieces of content that you're chucking out the door with absolutely no thought and absolutely no passion behind. If we could change the world of overfilling, I think that we would create a much nicer experience for ourselves on social media. So focus on quality, not quantity.